John. Hey, nice to see you.
Who's going to be awake after 10 o'clock?
Well, I'm doing pretty good.
For our event, of course, and as I said, music will be from Grand Francine. As a matter of fact, Al Clark, who spun the records at Teen Town for us, is here, and this is Al. And Al came in from Merritt just to be here for this event.
I'll be alone each and every night. While you're away, don't forget to write. See you in September. See you when the summer's through. Here we are, saying goodbye at the station. Summer vacation is taking you away. Have a good time, but remember, there is danger in the summer moon above. Will I see you in September, or lose you to a summer love? Counting the days till I'll be with you.
Vancouver, Lund.
You're stretching it, buddy.
St. John, Quebec, Clinton, Ontario, Camp Borden, Coal Lake, Marville, France, Loire, Germany, Coal Lake, Edmonton, Calgary, Whitehorse,
I give in.
Calgary, Fall River, back to Calgary. I don't know how many that is.
16, 17 or 16. We give our one job.
of you remember Billy Goat Smith?
Oh, yeah.
That was his mother, her mother.
I guess you're at that. I should off now. He used to walk by our house in Cranberry Street every Saturday morning.
Wasn't that Wilhelmina Goat Smith?
Yeah. Well, he was like a cool guy, old Billy Goat. Yeah.
Oh, he was cool, but he was a real curmudgeon.
Yeah.
I don't know if any of you guys ever, went up Powell Lake,
Yeah.
but there was a sign there said no dogs or Powell River residents. I loved that sign.
He would kick girls out, not even just guys. Oh boy.
Yeah. Anyway, so I put this song together, kind of. And it's kind of a rhyming fool song. Alone in the woods with no worldly goods, save hammer and spade, a gun and fish hooks, there lives a recluse who no more has use for friendship and love and family roots. Some try to befriend him and gifts they might send him, but a welcome of buckshot is what he extends them, and a sign there prevents any feigned ignorance. It says no dogs or Powell River residents. Hey, Billy Goat Smith, half man and half myth, why did you leave all your kin and your kith at the head of Powell Lake? Everyone you forsake, and with garden and gun, your own world you make. When first you came round to this rain-sodden town, the slaughtered hills echoed new paper mill sounds, where the old timbered landscape was now a fresh mud scrape, where job-hungry men sweat their dreams into shade. But the secretive stranger whose eyes hinted danger wasn't logger, mill worker, or forestry ranger. By the shingle mill shore, in a skiff full of stores, he left us behind with one pull on his oars. Hey, Billy Goat Smith, half man and half myth, why did you leave all your kin and your kith at the head of Powell Lake? Everyone you forsake, and with garden and gun, your own world you make. Well known he became with his long-distance aim, with a half-mile shot he could drop any game. Sure-footed and swift he ranged over the cliffs. Soon everyone called him Billy Goat Smith. But the rumors they grew with a little we knew, and one more than the others just might have been true. He was tricked by a loved one into using his six-gun, and all but his bitterness he had outrun. Hey, Billy Goat Smith, half man and half myth, why did you leave all your kin and your kith at the head of Powell Lake? Everyone you forsake, and with garden and gun, your own world you make. Now a heart that will mend can be time's dividend, but an angry old goat, he stayed till the end. When that old unforgiver one day gave a shiver, fell into his barrow and to death was delivered. Well, I've been betrayed, had my heartstrings all frayed, and I thought of old Billy and the choice that he made. But I never lost hope like that old misanthrope, and now love's like the acorn growing into an oak. Hey, Billy Goat Smith, half man and half myth, why did you leave all your kin and your kith at the head of Powell Lake? Everyone you forsake, and with garden and gun, your own world you make. Hey, Billy Goat Smith, half man and half myth, what were the devils you were living with at the head of Powell Lake? Everyone you forsake, and with garden and gun, your own world you make.
this, the language.
Since I don't have